Let's create a QR code in PowerPoint. There are two different ways to do this depending on the type of information you're looking to share. The first way allows you to share your entire PowerPoint file as a PDF with your audience via QR code. The second way allows you to create a QR code to share any added external information with your audience, like leading them to a survey, to an activity, a video, or any additional information that you want them to take a look at. So to go ahead and share your file with your audience, we can use ClassPoint's Share PDF feature. So ClassPoint is an interactive teaching add-in to better interact and engage with your audience. To use this, you can download and install it at classpoint.io. And once that's installed, you guys will see the Inknow ClassPoint tab in your PowerPoint ribbon. So we're just going to be focusing on the Share PDF icon here, but for more information about all these other icons and features, you can take a look in the description below. So your presentation is done and you want to share it with your audience, especially if you guys have any added annotations or whiteboard slides in your PowerPoint file. To do that, it's really easy. All we need to do is click the Share PDF icon, and then a QR code will appear on screen for your audience to go ahead and scan this file. Then they can go ahead and save it and review it for when they need. So this is really great. However, I don't always love to share the PowerPoint edit mode with my audience. So as a class pointer, usually my presentations are interactive. So I have my audience joined in to my class with this class code. So that means they can respond and interact with all the interactive questions that I have spread throughout my presentation. So because they are joined in, if I don't want to share the PowerPoint edit mode with them, I can disconnect from my projector, stop sharing my screen, and then exit the presentation and click the Share PDF icon. And because I have people joined in my class, they will automatically receive this PDF to save and take a look at when they want. So ClassPoint's Share PDF feature can be used to share your file, but if you're looking to share added and external information, we can use the QR for Office PowerPoint add-in. So to get that, we just go to the Insert tab and click Get Add-ins. Then we just need to go ahead and search for QR, and this first one is rated pretty well, so we can just go ahead and add that. Click Continue, and it will open up on the side panel here. Microsoft has a ton of really good add-ins in their store, so if you want to see some of our faves, we've rounded them up in the video linked above. So to use the QR for Office, all we need is a link that we want to lead our audience to. So at the bottom here, I do have a place for a link for a YouTube video. So I have a YouTube video pulled up here about the next max extinction so that we can use this video to go along with our dinosaur theme. And we just need to go ahead and paste it in the link here. On the side, you'll see the different types of links that you can have, but we're just going to go with a classic link, and then you guys can see we can change the color or the background of our QR code. Classic black and white is good enough for me, but I do like to make this a little bit bigger so it's easier for my audience to see. So then we just go ahead and click Insert, and now our QR code is on screen and ready for our audience to go ahead and scan at any point during our presentation when we're on this slide. This QR code is an image, so you guys can copy and paste this to move it elsewhere if you want to. And I do want to mention that this QR for Office add-in can be used in Word and Excel as well. For more Microsoft or ClassPoint tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel or get started by learning more about ClassPoint. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Sarah from Inknow, and I hope to see you again soon.